Hey guys, it's Dr. Grady with Restoration Chiropractic. Now we've seen a lot of people with degenerative changes in their neck and their low back. It's called degenerative joint disease or degenerative disc disease, and they make it sound like there's actually something in there eating away at those discs. But what normally happens is that these discs, they get their nutrition through proper motion in the spine, right? So if we have two vertebrae that are stuck or moving improperly, then that disc in between them is not getting the nutrients that it needs and it starts to degenerate. So let's look at this spine. So if we look up at the top of the neck, we have two vertebrae that are moving properly, they look good, and they have a nice disc space in between. Now as we move farther down the neck, we actually have four vertebrae right here that are starting to degenerate. So we're getting those bone spurs, we're getting decreased disc height, and that's due to that lack of motion. So what might this person be experiencing? Well, they could have neck pain, neck stiffness, headaches, numbness and tingling all the way down the arms into the fingertips. Now you could also have degenerative disc disease and not have any symptoms yet. And I say yet because if proper motion is not restored, then those discs are going to continue to degenerate until there are symptoms. So the point that I'm trying to illustrate, guys, is that we need proper motion, and without it, we're going to decrease our potential for health. And when that happens, that's when those symptoms start to show up. So if you guys know anybody with disc issues, degeneration, bone spurs, neck pain, back pain, headaches, let's figure out what the cause of it is and try to get it corrected so that we could go back to doing the things that we love to do and hopefully pain-free. Thanks guys. Dr. Grady, Restoration Chiropractic.